First reading, Acts chapter 5 verse 17 to 26. Then the high priest intervened with all his supporters from the party of the Sadducees. Filled with jealousy, they arrested the apostles and had them put in the public jail. But at night the angel of the Lord opened the prison gates and said as he led them out, "Go and take up position in the temple, and tell the people all about this new life." They did as they were told. They went into the temple at dawn and began to preach. When the high priest arrived, he and his supporters convened the Sanhedrin. This was the full Senate of Israel, and sent to the jail for them to be brought. But when the officials arrived at the prison, they found they were not inside, so they went back and reported, "We found the jail securely locked and the warders on duty at the gates, but when we unlocked the door we found no one inside." When the captain of the temple and the chief priests heard this news, they wondered what could be happening. Then a man arrived with fresh news. "Look," he said, "the men you imprisoned are in the temple. They are standing there preaching to the people." The captain went with his men and fetched them, though not by force, for they were afraid that the people might stone them. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 34 verse 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 8 to 9. I will praise Yahweh from my heart, let the humble hear and rejoice. Proclaim with me the greatness of Yahweh, let us acclaim his name together. I seek Yahweh and he answers me, frees me from all my fears. Fix your gaze on Yahweh and your face will grow bright. You will never hang your head in shame. A pauper calls out and Yahweh hears, saves him from all his troubles. The angel of Yahweh encamps around those who fear him, and rescues them. Taste and see that Yahweh is good. How blessed are those who take refuge in him. Fear Yahweh, you his holy ones, those who fear him lack for nothing. Gospel, John chapter 3 verse 16 to 21. For this is how God loved the world, verse he gave his only Son, so that everyone who believes in him may not perish but may have eternal life. For God sent his Son into the world not to judge the world, but so that through him the world might be saved. No one who believes in him will be judged, but whoever does not believe is judged already, because that person does not believe in the name of God's only Son. And the judgment is this, verse though the light has come into the world, people have preferred darkness to the light because their deeds were evil. And indeed, everybody who does wrong hates the light and avoids it, to prevent his actions from being shown up. But whoever does the truth comes out into the light, so that what he is doing may plainly appear as done in God.